Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I got to show you this. So, my book came. Ah, yes. This is a workbook. I'll be presenting this at my retreat at the end of June, and all those that come will receive a copy of this and the whole program. I'll be introducing it officially then, but I will also be introducing this at a summit that is being held locally at here in Ohio, and that is the 21st. So if you want to come to that, you can also probably just order it that time. I'm going to see if I can get more copies, but this is the proof that came, and it is beautiful. Look at this. All these ideas, prompts to help get you focused and centered on what you really want. And then once you get that focus, then you use my card deck. So the cards make it a little bit fun to see after you've written a prompt what you need to do to correct the problem. So this is the Renew card deck that you can order and print, or this whole system is available on Deckible. There are 3 decks that you can purchase. This workbook has been converted into a deck, so you can have all the information and the meditations. There's more meditations on Deckible than there are with the workbook, but it's divided into 2 different card decks. And so altogether on Deckible, there's 3 decks to get the whole system, to get focused, to start your healing and correction, because I'm all about healing. It really doesn't help to diagnose and say, hey, you got this problem. Hey, you're disappointed. Hey, this is going on. You have a headache and this is why, and then not being able to do anything about it. This is all about healing, getting to the end point where this is not a problem for you anymore. It may resolve it completely, or it may just turn into, this is not a problem for me anymore. So this system, fantastic. I have been using it for a very long time, and now it's finally in a usable form that I can use with you. So you can work with me and we'll go through it, and I can help with insights that you may not see. That's always the best. Or you could do it completely on your own and figure it out as you go. And then if you do kind of get into a stuck spot, then you can contact me for some one-on-one or join one of my group sessions to kind of work through the things that you found on your own. That's kind of how I tend to operate. And those that I turn to for my help and therapy probably recognize that I am not always there all the time. But when I hit the spot that it's like, okay, this is bigger than me, then I have my people that I go to as well. And so I wanted to be able to hit all levels and all incomes and all opportunities. So it's here. It's here. I can't wait. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I had no expectations for this, and it is beyond my expectations. So I will put how the information on how to purchase these in the link below, and I'm excited to have you have these tools available to you. So contact me if you want to work with me one-on-one or in my groups, because this is going to change your life.